This is urgent news. Do you know that hackers are waiting for the Windows 10 deadline to attack? Folks, there's no more time to wait. I'm asking you to be realistic for a minute. The clock is ticking. Don't wait. Windows 10 is about to close its doors to updates forever. I'm talking about less than a week. The question is, are you still using Windows 10? If your answer is yes, then you have to make a decision, and you have to make it now. The dilemma is, do you upgrade your old machine to Windows 11? Or not? Or is it finally time to say goodbye and get something new? First of all, why is this important? You should know that when Microsoft pulls the plug, and there are no more updates, that means no more security patches. Your computer will be open to errors and vulnerable to cyber viruses. That's why we need to be prepared for any attack. All right, now let's talk about options. Option 1. Upgrade to Windows 11. If your machine is from 2018 or newer, you can probably upgrade without problems. This way you'll get new features, better security against cyber attacks, and a fresher look, though that's secondary. But make sure your hardware meets the requirements. That your machine comes with the TPM 2.0 chip available. That the motherboard has secure boot BIOS. That the processor is at least an 8th generation Intel or 2nd generation Ryzen. Or you can also use Microsoft's PC Health Check tool if you have any doubts. Option 2. Replace your PC. This is the most logical option, but it will cost you money. Option 3. Pay for extended security updates or ESU. If you need to keep using Windows 10 for longer, Microsoft offers extended security updates for an annual fee. This option is useful for businesses or users who can't upgrade immediately, but it comes at a cost and isn't a permanent solution. Option 4. Install Linux. If you don't want to stick with Windows, you can install a Linux distribution. It's free, secure, and there are many easy-to-use options for new users. If your computer is more than 6 to 7 years old, consider replacing it. New PCs. Faster, lighter, more energy efficient, ready for years of updates and support. Think of it as an investment and peace of mind. Do you think you're not ready to upgrade or replace yet? Think carefully if you're going to take the risk. You could keep using Windows 10, but you'll be on your own if something goes wrong. No updates and waiting to be attacked, since you'll be without support and without help from Microsoft. I don't know if that gamble is worth it. Remember, we're already in countdown mode. Less than a week to act. Don't forget to back up your files. Check your upgrade options. Look for a new computer. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your digital life. Decide now. Upgrade or replace. The clock is still ticking.